All right. How do I figure out whether a number is divisible by 7? Now, best way to do this is to show you an example of how it works instead of just explaining it. All right. I'll do the wording afterwards. First of all, I'm going to show you how it works. So let's say I want to test the number 13552. All right. I want to see if that number is divisible by 7. And I don't want to do long division. I don't want to go divide it in. I just want to quickly find out, does 7 divide into it? Now, a quick and easy thing is, I take this number as it is, and I take the last number away. There we go. Take it away, right? So my number is now 1355. But I can't just throw that away. What I do with it is I times it by 2 and subtract it. So I'm minusing 4. See, twice that number from what is left. Minus 4, I get 1351. I still don't know. I repeat the process. Take the last number away, times it by 2, subtract it from what is left. I get 133. And I go, 7 going to there? I'm still not sure. Well, let's do it again. Take the last number away, times it by 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. And I go, hey, wait a bit. 7 divides into 7, doesn't it? 7 goes into there once, which means that the number 13,552 is divisible by 7. All right? Very simple rule that you just repetitive, okay? Just keep on taking the last number away and subtracting twice it and so on. Okay? So, let's do another one. Let's repeat the whole process and see if the next number 144,981. Is that number divisible by 7? And I go, yeah, obviously I don't know. So I need to follow the process and go, okay, remove the last number, times it by 2 and subtract it. I get 14496. Does that ring a bell? No, it doesn't. Take the 6 away, times it by 2, subtract 12 from that. 1437. See that? Does 7 go into that? Yeah, you know, I'm still not sure. So I take the 7 away, I subtract 14 from that. See? Take the 7 away, times it by 2, subtract it. So I get 100 and what is that? 129. All right? Then I go, can 7 divide into that? I'm still not sure. I take the last number away, minus, oops, I shouldn't have done that. Minus 18 from that, I get, whoops, negative 6. Now, first of all, 7 doesn't go into a negative number, but the negative 6, which will be your remainder at the end. We don't worry about the remainder now. But 7 does not divide into 129 because that gives us negative, not 0 or a multiple of 7, which means the big original number, not divisible by 7, right? That number is not divisible by 7. So, how do we formulate that? We remove last digit and subtract twice that value. So I take the 1 away, I multiply it by 2 and subtract it. So I subtract twice that value. All right, subtract twice that value from rest of number, right? Subtract that, I get an answer, and then what do I write after that? I repeat the process until I am certain of whether 7 divides in to what I have left. So I go value from rest of number, repeat until certain if 7 divide into number. Okay, as I explained in the process. So you go down and finally you'll get to a number where you can easily say, hey, 7 can or cannot divide into it, right? And that'll determine whether 7 could divide into the original big number. All right.